Hi, this is Aline Haddad from Creation Alino. In this video, we'll do a bracelet with the basic and intermediate technique. We will use the round noise plier, the wire cutter plier, the flat chain noise plier without teeth, the flat chain noise plier with teeth. You start by taking the measure of your wrist. You can use a ruler or a bead board. We start choosing the glass beads colored 4 millimeters. You can choose any kind of beads, natural, plastic, any kind, any color, any shape. So here I'm using 4 millimeters. You can even use 6 millimeters or 8 millimeters, but in that case it will take less beads, so you will calculate them on your board. You can even do with the same technique a necklace, but in that case the measures are different. For the necklace you may need 14, 16 or 18 inches. Our bracelet is 7 inches with 2 chains. Each chain will contain 11 beads. The first step consists to insert the beads into the stainless steel eye pin. I will show you a basic technique to make a loop. We leave a little space from the bead and we hold the pin with the flat chain noise plier, and we'll leave a little bit space, so I will do our 90-degree shape. And with the cutter plier we will cut like 1 centimeter from the perpendicular, and always we cut facing down to not be hurt by the small piece of pin. With the round noise plier we start rolling the wire starting from the base of the noise. Then we turn and till we arrive to the head of the noise. We keep turning. Then we'll have a loop. Now our pin has 2 loops, so we'll adjust them to get the 8 shape. We will take the flat noise plier with teeth and without teeth, and we will arrange it to have the 8 shape. Then we continue to do all the rest of the beads with the same technique. So again, doing the same step by inserting the bead into the pin, doing the 90-degree, cut the wires and do the loop and adjust it with the 2 pliers, flat pliers, to have the 8 shapes, and we will continue to do the rest of the beads. In this step, we will connect all the beads together with the jump ring. Here I'm using the stainless steel. With a flat noise plier with teeth, I will hold it, and I will take the other one, the flat one, to twist the ring. So I will insert the beads from the loop, 2 beads together. Then I will take the flat noise plier and I will twist to close the ring. So this is a technique to close the jump ring. Always we twist in that way to open and to close. will be sure that it's well closed, because it's a little bit hard to work with the stainless steel. Again, we add another bead and we'll continue the chain. So we'll link 11 beads together with the same technique by using the both flat plier and twisting the ring. So we'll do 2 chains. We should check to have the same number of beads in both chains. Then we have the clasp that has the round and the bar. We should put from each side one of the part. Then we will take 2 jump rings, one for each side. I will take the same size that I use with the bracelet. With the same technique, I will hold the jump ring with my flat plier with these. Then I will insert the 2 chains. And I will add the bar side of the clasp. Here the jump ring is a little bit tight. We will enlarge it to enter the bar. Then with the same technique, we'll take the flat noise plier to twist and close the jump ring. I will be sure that it's well closed. We'll make sure that the chains are parallel. Then I will take my other jump ring with the same technique, with the flat plier with the teeth. I will enter my round side of the clasp and then the 2 chains together. And again with the flat plier without teeth, I will twist and close my jump ring. And here is my bracelet. You will use the same technique to finish your necklace. With this kind of clasp, it's easy to wear it. And here is the bracelet.